The topic of today's sermon is many prayers are not answered by the Lord. God will not answer our prayers because most of the prayers of mankind are an abomination to the Lord, though God had good plans for all flesh. However, the majority of the people are displeasing God in a manner that will make him reverse his decision concerning the good things which he had promised to bless them. Nowadays, many people in the world are disobedient to the Lord. Therefore, he will not listen to their prayers and also cancel his good plans for them. It should be noted that God will neither assist nor answer the prayers of the people who behave wickedly from his perspective. You must not turn to evil if you want the purpose of your existence to come to pass. Any nation that wants God's purpose for her to be established must abstain from sins. This is according to the book of Jeremiah, chapter 18, verse 10. And I will read, if it does evil in my sight, so that it does not obey my voice, then I will relent concerning the good with which I said I will benefit it. If you don't want God to relent concerning his good resolution for you, flee from a lustful lifestyle. If you want your prayers to be answered, please the Lord, you must keep yourself holy and pray to the Lord at an acceptable time for your prayers to be answered. Remember that the design of God for your life will be established if you pray to him in a pleasing manner. May the Lord bless his words.